Okay, so I promised you the big reveal of what was the monster in the MakerSwap garage. So I'm now going to show you the thing and then talk a little bit through it. So this is the monstrous device in the MakerSwap garage. As you can see, it's Huxley's Little David stump grinder. I bought this for £300 off eBay because to hire a stump grinder was going to cost me £300, and to buy this one was also £300. Now this one came to me not working, but I'm currently tracing the electrical fault that it's got. But this is not the biggest problem that it's got. So I'm going to take it out of here and I'm going to show you some of the interesting features of this particular device. So down here, you'll see the grinding wheel, and up here, you'll see the handle that the operator holds. Now, the problem with this particular one is that this grinding wheel rotates from this view anti-clockwise, which of course means that if the operator drops the handle, the grinding wheel grabs the grind and it drags the entire machine towards the operator. So this is a particularly unsafe configuration. So once I've got the engine fired up and operating, what we're going to do is we're going to move the handle, we're going to take some of this stuff off, and we're going to move the handle to this end so that the grinding wheel is grinding away from the operator rather than towards. So this is the monster in the MakerSwap garage. As soon as I've got it sort of running, I'll take a video of it fired up. I'll catch up with you in a minute.